Hi everyone, welcome to another QBO tip. Last time we dove right into using tags tracking in QuickBooks Online. Today we're going to circle back to the payroll updates that QBO has been rolling out this year. If you remember, Intuit was rolling out updated payroll packages. They're behind because, well, COVID. One of the best features One of the best features is for those of you that used the self-service option. You'll be going to the quote core plan and you can automate your payroll taxes and forms. What does this mean? Well, they will remit your payroll tax deposits and they will prepare and file your quarterly and year-end reports. Intuit does more, you do less. I should note that Intuit may not be able to handle some local taxes and filings, but they can handle all the state and federal ones. So once we have the new payroll package, how do we automate our taxes and forms? Let's jump right into the test company and find out. Okay, we're in QBO and we need to make sure that Intuit is going to remit our payroll tax deposits and file our payroll reports. And it's really pretty simple. We do this by going to the payroll settings. To get there, we go to the gear icon up here and then over to payroll settings. From here, find the taxes and forms section, and you can see that the automate taxes and forms is currently switched to off. We need to turn that on. All we need to do is click on any part of this section here and it will drop down and we can check the box to automate sales tax and forms. You see it switches to on here, and it also changes the notice, and it tells you that we'll automatically pay and file your federal and state payroll taxes including year-end filings beginning with the tax periods ending on or after Wednesday, December 9th, 2020. From here you click save and it takes into effect. Another note for you self-service payroll users out there is if your payroll isn't set up properly, you may have to contact Intuit so they have access to the accounts and the information to actually remit your taxes and file on your behalf. So if you're not set up correctly, you may have a little additional setup to do on the back end so that Intuit has the information they need to do this for you. For most of you, you just save these changes and you're all set. Payroll taxes and payroll forms are off your plate. I hope that helps. Thanks so much for watching.